exercise the comparative adjectives 比較式嘅形容詞。Sam is talking about 咧就係談論、談及咁解，講啊。is talking about his feelings on life 咁啊，講下佢即係啲生活上嘅感受啊 ，life 咁即係生活啦 ，feeling 就係感受啦啊。Talking about his feeling in life, filling the blanks with suitable comparative adjectives using the words in brackets. Life is getting worse. 哎呀，我啲生活咧質素咧越嚟越差喎。咁啊 ，worse 即係越嚟越差咁解啦。咁咧就係我哋一講到呢啲咁嘅 comparative adjective 咧，就係梗係 good、better、best、bad、worse、worst。嗱呢啲啦，好啊 ，good、better、best， 衰、bad、worst、worst 呢啲啊，呢個咧就係衰、差咗、衰咗。What was life like when I was a boy？ 啊，咁我做一個細路仔嘅時候，嗰啲生活點㗎 ？Well, I think it was better than 嗱，有個 than 字嘅時候咧，就比較級啦啊 ，better than the life now。It was the 哇，有個 the 呢個字咧，有個 the 呢個字咧，就應該係 superlative， 即係極級最嘅。喺呢度嚟講咧，因為前面有個 the 字，所以 the best。It was the best time of my life。嗱，我細路仔嘅時候咧，係我最開心、最好嘅時光啦。When I was young， 啊呢個冇比較啦，啊冇比較，即係冇 than 啊冇 the 咧，就用普通嘅形容詞照抄得噶啦。當我年青嘅時候 ，people were， 呢度有個 than 字喎，啊呢度有個 than 字啊。當我年青嘅時候咧。People were happier， 咁啊，你見到有個 Y 字咧，有個 Y 字嘅時候咧，就唔要個 Y，H-A-P-P， 唔要 Y 變 I-E-R，happier 啊 ，people were happier and more polite，more polite 啊。咁我哋用咩嚟衡量咧？咁樣嗱。兩個音節啊 ，polite 兩個音節啦，兩個音節咧，如果係 Y 字尾啊 ，ly 尾 ，ow 尾 ，er 尾啊呢啲啊，兩個音節係呢啲結尾嘅咧，咁我哋咧就係用呢個 est 做呢個 comparative adjective，OK 啊？舉例啦，好冇啊？好 happy 呢個字咧就係 happy 兩個音 ，Y 字尾Y 字尾喎，咁所以咧就用 er 結尾，唔要個 Y 就變做I-E-R， 我呢個 polite 呢個 T-E 尾啊或者 E 尾就唔屬於呢度四個嘅其中一個啊，即係唔屬於 Y 啊 L-Y 啊 O-W-E-R， 咁我哋咧就用 more polite， 就係咁解啦。OK 啊 ，more polite than they are now。Also, things were cheap 係一個音，咁啊一個音唔使問啦，一定係加 er。cheaper than 啊 ，things were cheaper than。嗱呢個好緊要嘅，你大家咧要記住啊嚇。如果係兩個音 y、ly、ow、er，咁我哋咧變咗做呢個比較級嘅形容詞咧，就要用 er 或者 est。其他嗰啲咧。啊，例如呢個咧 ，T-E 尾啊，就唔屬於呢四個其中一個，咁我哋用 more polite 咁就得噶啦。啊 ，exciting 三個音 ，exciting 咁啊三個音唔使問啦，一定係用 more 啦啊 ，is more exciting。咁啊 than 因為有個 than 字，咁所以我哋用呢個比較級啊，就唔係極級，極級即係最高級啊。In the past, it is true that you can travel than 哇呢個 than 字啦啊。far 要點轉呢？咁啊 further 就變咗 further。father 得唔得咧？就係 FARTHER father 都得嘅啊 ，father 即係遠啲 ，and faster 啊 ，fast 變咗 faster。When I was a boy, and there are choices than 啊，咁呢個啦，有個 than 字，多啲選擇。咁呢個咧 many 同埋 much 咧嗰個咁嘅 comparative adjective 咧都係 more 啊。嗱 many 咧就俾嗰啲數得到嘅 ，much 咧就數唔到嘅啊。much 係數唔到嘅。呢兩個嗰個 comparative adjective 咧都係 more 啊。more choices of entertainment 咧就係 entertainment 即係嗰啲娛樂啊。than before 咁啊 ，but on the whole 啊，但係咧整體嚟講啊 ，on the whole 即係整體嚟講啦啊 ，I think life is much worse 啊 ，much nowadays than in the past。咁啊，呢個 bad 嗰個比較級咧就 worse。Life is much worse nowadays than in the past。咁呢個 much 我嚟做咩㗎？呢個 much 咧就即係我嚟形容嘅啊，呢個 adverb 嚟嘅啊 ，much worse 啊，咁啊即係等於 very worse 啊，即係衰好多啊，呢個衰啲啊，好多咁啊，咁所以 much worse nowadays than。好啦，咁呢一個咧就講完啦。